With the winter storm Juno, 7:07 a.m. Gotta go to work. Well, this is the day after Windstorm Juno's. This is the 28th. Alright, let's see if I can make it through there. Do a little drift here. Snow is a lot. A lot of snow. If you untouch this, that's probably about 2.5 feet, somewhere around there. But this is the street view of. Alright, we're gonna go downhill, so I'm gonna slow down a bit. For those of you watching as a new driver, whoever you are, you slow down far away. So if your car slide, you don't want to slide from here now until you stop. So once you slide, there's nothing stopping you. There you go. It's green. They're going. We'll let it go. Alright, that's it, guys.